Welcome to NutriHub IIMR Secondary Processing. I am Dr. Amarnath Reddy, Plant Cum Business Manager here. Today we are going to know about secondary processing. In secondary processing we have different lines. Now we are going to see cold extruder line. In cold extruder line we can produce ready to cook products. For example, vermicelli, pasta, rice, and also changing of dye we can produce noodles. Such a way we will get different products out of cold extruder lines. The next line is the hot extruder line. Here in hot extruder line we can do all ready to eat products. Different shapes also we can do. In hot extruder line we can do ready to eat products like kurkure type, for example kurkure type products, as well as we can do flakes also. You see this side there is a flaking machine also available. With this machine we will do different flakes, for example Kilax, the such type of flakes also we can do. This is a puff gun line. In this puff gun line we can do all type of puffs. So if you see the output of puffs, jowar puffs, bajra puffs, ragi puffs, even you can do barnyard, little, kodo, pros, all millet puffs we can do in this machine. The beauty of this machine and the beauty of this technology is we can retain the nutrients. This is the flaking line. In this flaking line we can do all type of millets, all type of flakes we can do in this flaking line. Now you are seeing the mission. It is a flaking mission. It is a very thin flaking, very thin flakes we will get from this mission. At the same time, if you see here, this is the edge runner mission. In this edge runner we will get the thick. This is a grinding plant. Actually, to grind the grain, different grains or millets, we have three technologies. Number one, chekki mill, and number two is a hammer mill, number three is a roller technology. Now we are using in this grinding plant hammer technology. See, there is a hopper. In this we are going to pour all different types of millets. With the help of conveyor, belt conveyor, all material is going towards hammer mill. You see there is a hammer mill. There grain will be, the grain is going to break. From there through pneumatic lift, the grain, the particles, all particles is coming towards shifter. In this shifter will help us differentiate or separate different particle size. The output is like this. For example, if you see in this grinding plant, the flour we will get it, idli rava also will get it, upma rava and khichdi rava. So like that way we will use this grinding plant. Murukku line. In this murukku line we can do different shape of murukus like sticks, rounds, and also we can do all millets murukku also here. This is packing line. In this packing line we will do all type of like all products here. Packaging line we have different type of mission. Continuous sealing missions we have, and also we have vacuum sealing missions also we have. Like that we have pick and fill missions also we have. This is the baking line. If you see, that is a hopper where we will put all our biscuit down. Then it will move on to the sheeting. Then after sheeting it will go to the molding. If you see this, these are the different molds. And after molding, if you want molding you can do it molding. Otherwise if you want other biscuit, it will go to the cutting also. So then after molding or cutting, it will go to the baking. See, there is a complete baking from here to there. Very big oven we have. In this oven the biscuit will be baked. Then after baking, see, the output will come here. The output will come here. So this is in this, after baking automatically it will go to the cooling conveyor. See the cooling conveyor from here to there, that place, loss edge cooling conveyor. From there to here, within 5 to 6 minutes you will get the biscuits. All millet type of biscuits we can get it.